Hi everybody, I'm Monica Bloom, Banyan ambassador and creator of HeyMonicaB.com. And today I'd like to introduce you to my special little friend, the tongue cleaner. My tongue cleaner, I spend very precious moments together every single day. And using my tongue cleaner is a super important part of my daily hygiene routine. I couldn't imagine going a day without it, actually. I think once you see what a tongue cleaner can do, how fresh it makes you feel, and how it improves your oral health, you'll probably feel the same way. A tongue cleaner works by gently scraping undigested food particles and natural toxins off your tongue. If you think that's gross, consider what might happen if you don't use a tongue cleaner. That natural accumulation of debris and bacteria sits on your tongue, like all day and all night. It's kind of like leaving your leftovers in the car on a hot day. But hey, let's focus on the positive and all the awesome stuff we can do about it that will support our oral hygiene and in turn, our health. Cleansing the tongue regularly freshens breath, removes blockages to the taste buds, which enhances the sense of taste and smell, and even supports a healthy body because those unchecked toxins can be reabsorbed into the body via the mouth and gross. Okay, here's how to do it. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, grab your tongue cleaner by the two ends, and then you're gonna stick wait a minute, hold on. There we go, much better. Anywho, stick out your tongue and place the middle portion of the tongue cleaner as far back as it can comfortably go. If you go really far back, you'll feel the gag reflex kick in, and that's normal, but that's not what we're after. We're not trying to swallow swords here or anything, so take your time with it and don't feel like you have to get back there right away. Gently press down and draw the tongue cleaner forward to remove any unwanted coating on your tongue. Rinse your tongue cleaner after each gentle scraping and repeat the process however many times you like, or until your tongue feels clean. Most people do it about 7 to 14 scrapes. You may have noticed I said gentle scraping. Scraping too fast or too hard can really hurt, so it's important not to overdo it, especially at first. You can do it every day. The morning is actually the best time to practice, particularly on an empty stomach. Why? Well, here's a neat little fact. In Ayurveda, the tongue is considered to be kind of a blueprint for the body as a whole, with different parts of the tongue corresponding to different vital organs. Coincidence? Of course not. Everything in Ayurveda is connected. Another action of the tongue cleaner is that it gently stimulates the tongue and correspondingly your internal organs. This little massage kickstarts your digestive system, preparing it for all of the eating you'll be doing that day. Banyan Botanicals tongue cleaner is stainless steel, lightweight, and has a really good edge for scraping. If you're still hungry for more info on cleansing your tongue or other Ayurvedic daily routine practices, take a bite out of our Ayurvedic health guides, blog posts, and leave a comment or question. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you also develop a long and lasting friendship with your tongue cleaner. Bye!